Hello, Philip Harries, and I'm playing the Oz Guard and Uncle Henry. I'm very excited to be working with this cast and crew because they are a formidable cast. They have been very well cast indeed, and each one is a top actor. For the role of Uncle Henry, I'd like to bring some pathos to the character, but also some strength, just to show the contrast in the character, because I do feel that Uncle Henry is a lovable old soul, and he does have everybody's backs. He also has that strength. He has the strength to tell Miss Gulch what he really thinks of her, and not many people have the strength to do that. So he stands up for Dorothy in front of Miss Gulch. So I'd just like to get that contrast going for Uncle Henry. For the Oz Guard, I think there's a bit of fun to be had there. He's a comedic character, and he's a larger-than-life character, and it gives a lot of opportunity to play around with different voices and different statures, and just to see what comedy we can bring out of him. Well, I'm very excited about this production. Not many people know this, but Oz, or the Wizard of Oz, was my first ever professional engagement 40 years ago. Wow. And I played the Tin Man. So it's almost a full circle for me. I still got a bit more to go, I hope. But I'm really looking forward to see how this production compares with that, because obviously 40 years of memories is a long time ago, and it was very dear to my heart because it was my first show, and I'm just waiting to see the magic of this show come to fruition, because it is such a lovely production. It's a lovely show. The cast are great. Everything is in place for a fantastic production. Well, I think, as I've already said, really, about the comedy of the Guard, there's such a great scope for comedy. I'm really looking forward to play with that, to see what I can get out of it. And also with Uncle Henry, let's see how real we can make that character compared to the Guard, because he's more comedic, and the Guard is in the land of Oz, so Oz is a bigger place. Anything can happen in Oz. So just to see the contrast again between those characters, that's what I'm really looking forward to. I really think people should come to see this show because, well, first of all, every summer show in Aberystwyth is fabulous. It's well worth a visit, and everybody's heard of The Wizard of Oz, especially with the popularity of Wicked. I think people need to come and see the original now, and to see where it all started, where this brand started, and it's going to be fun. The music is great. Everybody knows the music, the characters. Everybody's heard of the characters, and it's just such a lovely story, and it will be once again a fantastic production. Magical.